All right, Top's here back with us now. Wild night.
It really has. It's
Yeah.
been a wild last 6 days, really. We're looking at everything all clear.
Okay.
The severe thunderstorms gone, tornado watch gone, and flash flood watch gone. So that's good.
Right.
Now let's talk about the radar. We'll put this into motion over the past 5 hours and take you back in time. I'm not quite that fast. And show you the activity rolling through the metro area. And this is the severe line that rolled through and produced a tornado in the Reston Herndon area. Now, we are left with some residual showers. It's not going to be shower-free tonight, but the severe weather is gone. In fact, most heavy activity is now over the Delmarva. And even that has begun to pull away from Ocean City and Rehoboth and Bethany, although there's getting some pretty good rain just south of Dover at this hour. But right now, there's no warnings out there. Now, there's a couple of products we look at when we try to determine if, in fact, there's any rotation to a tornado, to a thunderstorm that's producing a tornado. And it was a pretty clear signature for the Reston tornado. For more on that, here's meteorologist Howard Bernstein.
Yeah, one of the great things about Doppler radar, Topper, is that it can look not just at the reflectivity, not just with the rain or the snow, but at the winds. And you showed this earlier. I'm going to show it again. All these storm reports, we had a lot of wind reports, and yes, even down here, a couple of tornadoes were reported. But we had that tornado that you were talking about at the top of the broadcast right here in the Reston area and northeast Reston. Also had some tree damage. So we think this is where Mike Valerio was earlier. But this was a confirmed tornado because of what was seen on the Doppler and, of course, the tree damage. So when we switch it over from the storm reports now to the velocity, we've got inbounds and outbounds. When we say inbounds, green going toward the radar site, red going away, and this is what we see right there, that rotation. And when we see a strong signature like that, we start to look at the values. And the gate to gate, when you look at the pixels that are right next to each other, the opposing wind speeds, 105 miles an hour, that tells us we got a pretty strong circulation there. But just 2-3 minutes later, it's not nearly as impressive as it was at 9 o'clock. So this thing wasn't on the ground long, but it certainly did the damage. And hopefully, Topper, we're going to get a break for days to come, right?
Yeah, it's been pretty active here over the last 6 days. Yeah, we're in pretty good shape now. Again, some residual showers possible. And temps, even though a cold front technically went through, we're still going to be 75 tomorrow. The cool air actually moves in. Its upper low spins around. We're on 65 on Easter Sunday, then back to 70 on Monday. And check this out. Tuesday, Wednesday, we're near 80 degrees. That's more like mid-May weather than April weather. But bad news for Easter Sunday. We just are going to keep clouds in and showers and temperatures only between 60 and 65, which is not that far off of average, actually. Our average high is like 68 now, but it will be a little bit nuisance showers, nothing heavy, nothing severe, but just kind of nuisance showers on Easter Sunday. Okay, here's Futurecast. 6 a.m. in the morning, a couple residual showers. Notice there's shades of green, no worries. Temperatures in the 60s, and then we're in pretty good shape. This is 9 o'clock in the morning, maybe a shower by Frederick up I-70. Most of us are going to have sunshine by then. Notice the wind still out of the south, so we're not going to see colder air pouring in here, even though this cold front went through. By 1 o'clock, gorgeous. 71 D.C., 70 in Gaithersburg, lots of sunshine everywhere, even 69 up in Hagerstown. Even as we get into the evening hours, temps are still around 60, but a couple of showers are popping off to the south and the west, out toward Luray, down toward Charlottesville. We could have a couple of sprinkles as you go through the night tomorrow. Not a huge deal, wouldn't plan around it, but then we get into Sunday. This is 7 a.m., could be a couple of showers around. Notice it's cooler. Temperatures now 55 in D.C. and in the 40s in the burbs. So we will get some cooler air in here Saturday night into Sunday morning, but not tonight into Saturday. Really not that bad. By the time we get to 10 a.m., Futurecast taking away a lot of the showers that were here earlier. We still feel there's going to be a few showers, but not a washout and nothing heavy and nothing severe on Easter Sunday. So Saturday, nice, returning partly cloudy, 75. Easter Sunday, 65 with some showers. Monday, isolated showers. Wouldn't plan around those right now, 70. And then it gets warmer, near 80 on Tuesday and Wednesday. Better chance for storms on Thursday. May have to plan around those. And then mid-70s isolated showers on Friday. Nats back in town Friday. DC United playing on Sunday.
We can deal with a few showers, especially after tonight. Thank you, Top. Well, tonight on The Late Show, Robert De Niro sits down with Stephen Colbert to talk about President Trump. No surprise there. And, you know, we're tight with Colbert's crew, so we made them give us a sneak peek.
Tonight on The Late Show, founder of the Tribeca Film Festival, Robert De Niro. I'll try to figure out how he feels about President Trump.
Yeah, The Late Show is on right after us, but we've still got a lot to talk about tonight, including this. The fan favorite is back with the Cats. I'll explain coming up in sports. Stay right here.
They say in D.C.
We just can't get things